Hi, Julie here coming to you with a Reno update. So not a lot has visually changed, I suppose, since the last video that I did, but there's been a lot of background work going on with ordering a lot of products, getting quite a few deliveries and making a lot of decisions. So basically you win some, you lose some in the Reno game. You can see here I'm trying out a couple of different wall colours. I've got Snowy Mountains full, and hang on, Snowy Mountains, I've got Snowy Mountains half, and I've got Casper White quarter. So we'll make a decision on that. They're all nice white colours, so it doesn't probably really matter which one we go for. We initially were going to go with a different hybrid plank, but this one has worked out to be the same price. It's a better quality, it's longer planks and less busy, so we're really happy with that. So just walking through, we've had all the doors delivered, so we're getting all new doors on the doors. Ordered all the tiles for the bathrooms. It's quite a lot, considering there's wall tiles and floor tiles. So yeah, lots of doors going on in here right now. The slow combustion fire works. We cranked that up last week when it was freezing cold, so that's also good news. The bargain of the week was the bath. With my Power Pass card, it came down from $179 to $36, so I was on a bit of a high for a couple of days over that one. I've had all these building materials delivered and more doors going on inside. So, whoops, yeah, that's just looking a bit neater. And as I said, you'll win some, you lose some. Luckily we've got a lot of rain now actually, so we can see where all the little cracks are in the, what's it called, polycarb roof sheeting. So I've just been to Bunnings and done another order for our roof sheeting, so we'll get that delivered tomorrow, and if it's not raining too much we'll get that replaced. The pool's coming up really quite nice and clear, but the stuff at the bottom that I thought was sediment, now that it's clear we can see it's actually the concrete where the paint's peeled off, so it's not really looking the greatest. So that's now the next little issue that we'll need to solve to make this pool look really nice. We've got a couple of ideas. We'll just sit on that for a little bit and come up with a plan. Had the garage door fixed today as well, so now that works, it goes up and down. Oh, and yeah, we got extra Colorbond sheeting delivered, so that was also a bonus. So all in all, still going quite nicely. Pretty happy with the progress, and probably in another week's time we'll start to see a few changes. Okay, see ya.